From the home of the unbeatable champions and event capital of Cotabato, Masayang Midsayap. Midsayap is a municipality in North Cotabato that is known for its culture, scenic landscape, and of course, friendly locals. Midsayap means mid, in the middle, and sayap, which is the hat or the traditional hat of the farmers. Midsayap is known for its vibrant culture, such as Halad Festival. Halad Festival is celebrated in every third week of January. It is also known as Indakan sa Kadalanan, which are participated by different municipalities that portray different practices or culture. In every month of November, Midsayap also celebrated its founding anniversary with different highlighted performance and concerts from different artists. Its founding anniversary is also famous of its Sinugba Festival, which are celebrated of every Midsayapeños and have their sinugbas at every sidewalk of the streets. People will enjoy the free sinugba and free concerts. Midsayap is a busy street that's surrounded by happy and generous people that makes the community better.